back to Youth Program Forum. Today we are going to share a wonderful story with you. Share the story. So after the story, we are going to illustrate much of the story with more arguments, and we are going also to give you some advice for the youth.
He found an eaglet's egg, and he picked it up and took it over to the hen house and put it under one of his hens. And when all the eggs were hatched, the little eagle was hatched with all the other little chickens. And of course, immediately the mother hen begins to rear her chicks, as she often does, and the little eagle was treated exactly the same. And as he continued to grow, he assumed he was just a part of the family. He was another chicken among chickens. And so he began to learn the things that all little chickens learned, to go around the barnyard and peck for worms, and then when it came to flying, learned to fly maybe a few feet, first at very awkward, and then he got pretty good at flying only a few feet at a time. And this is the way he continued to live, just following the role of all the other chickens. And then one day, when he was much older, he looked up in the sky and he saw a beautiful, majestic bird riding on the winds. And he turned to one of his friends and he said, "Who is that, or what is that?" And his friend said, "Oh," he said, that's an eagle. They're birds of the sky." He said, "We're chickens, and we're birds of the ground." After the old eagle heard his friend tell him that that was a bird of the sky and he was a bird of the ground, there was a part of him that had been caught in that moment of seeing that bird in the sky that ignited a long...
Okay, for my own opinion, the story is very fantastic, and it called our attention to that any relationship we engage ourselves in can destroy our future, can push us to miss our way. Because if you realize that this small eaglet grew up in the midst of hen, he never knew that he can fly, he can hunt. Although it was not, let me say it's destiny that is going to be there. But at that moment I realized that his future was not being among this hen, he would take a decision. But he accepts to do like that. That's why he's affected by the state, by the condition, by the environment. And it's very, very dangerous for we that we are in this society. This is 21st century. And again, I think that we should try and make sure we investigate first. If I may use the word of police station, investigate, try and look for the best relationship we are going to adopt for our future.
I share with you this idea because I think we youth has to work with people that are going on our direction.
Yes, you are right.
And when we have the same spirit, each of us, we can encourage each other.
Yes.
See? And I also think that we must know that in relationship, we have two kinds of people. There are people that are there to help you, and also people that are there to put you down.
Yes, you are right. And I really agree with what you said. You know, in this life, I was once listening to one motivational speaker. He said that if you are not careful of the people you are working with, you know that some people, they have negative, all the time their own opinion is negative. You think, okay, I have an idea of going through this business. I want to invest in this business. Your opponent say that, the person say, okay, my friend, never go inside this business. You can never make it. I have one of my friend, one of my brother, that venture himself in this particular business and he lose a lot of money. Never do. Because what? He have nothing to share if it's not negative. And again, if you are all the time in the midst of this particular person, be sure that it will be very difficult for you to grow, to explore the world with your what? With your plan, with your imagination. If you are not careful, you always think and you will never be what? Saved by anybody. The best solution is what? To leave the means, to leave the person and mingle with the person, the people that have the same mindset with you, and you can what? Explore the world. That's what all the giant people that we are seeing today, They never mix with people that bring them back, that their idea is not good, their vision can never be great. They mingle themselves with people that encourage them, that motivate them, that have the same view of that plan, of that product. That's why they are doing what? Things that we can never imagine.
And it's also true that religion teaches us that we must love everybody. Yes, it's true, but it doesn't how will I say it? Recommend us to make everybody our friend.
Yes.
Love is a must, but relationship is a choice.
Yes, yes, a choice. That the last video from, I think that should we blame, from the last video we did, that should we blame our parents? I said something that life is choice. If you decide to be with that person because you accepted to be with the person, you know that you want to do something, you want to be a great person, you want to explore the world, you want to be rich, and again you're in the midst of someone that have not that idea in him. The only thing is having him there to be blaming other, that this is because of this person I'm not able to make it, because of this lecturer I don't understand this particular topic, because of this lecture I'm not able to make my examination in a perfect way. No, we should be able to accept our responsibility when we are making a mistake. This life, if we do not mix ourselves with people that have the same vision with us, it will be very difficult for us to make it in life.
Yes, and also there are people, their life they are stagnant. They are not moving. Nothing is working. It's only because the relationship you are in is wrong. So if you know that the relationship you are in is not making you going forward, the person is making you bitter and not better, and that person is not giving you happiness, let that person go. Let them go. That's all. You have the choice to do what you want. You have the choice to do what that makes you happy.
Yes, of course, you have the choice. And in a relationship again, you know, some of us we want to be with a particular person that we don't have anything in common, because we are sharing a relationship with that person. We love the person, but the person mindset, the person thought does not have anything with our own. Anytime we are expecting the person should encourage us in what we want to achieve, the person just giving us a negative encouragement that we should not go, we should not do it, we can never live, we need money to survive, we need money to eat. The person never push up, okay, this money you are having, I want you, the idea you are having, finance it. By God's grace, we are going to make it. Let us mingle ourselves in the best relationship that is what that will be useful for our future. Anytime we love doing something, we should call the attention of people that want to do the same, so that we can make it in life. If you are calling the attention of someone that don't want to do the same, the person will always discourage you.
Yeah. And also I want to add this thing that we us youths, you don't have to make everybody your friend. Don't work with people that are not going on your direction. It will affect you. Some of you are trapped in a wrong relationship, you see, and maybe you may say to me, oh, you don't understand, we had a mystery together. Yes, okay, you had a mystery, but it doesn't mean whatever you had a mystery with that person, it doesn't mean that that person has a future with you. So you have a choice to decide to cut everything and go forward.
Make sure that you have a good relationship. Choose the best person for your life, because if you don't have the best person in your life, it will be very difficult for you to move in this life. In this life, we ourselves must be the source of motivation, and again must have people that are motivating us to continue, not to achieve our dream. Because if you do not have someone that will motivate you in this life, and you have someone that just discouraging you, it is very difficult for you to move on in life. You know, we are in the world of what, imagination. And the scientists went to an estimate, they said that all what any human being can imagine, he can make it a reality. Now, if you are not having someone beside you that can encourage you, that can see that what you have in you, your imagination can be realer, my friend, better look for another person to mingle with. Never mingle with someone that will discourage you.
And also, don't associate with everybody. Anybody that is not adding value to your life, let that person go. It's about you. It's about your future. It's about your destiny. So you have also to know that you have two kinds of people. We have wasters and investors. We have people that will be there to increase you and decrease you and to neutralize you. So from here, you have to make a choice. You need to check seriously your association. And also you have to know that bad relationship have an impact in your life, in your future. And also that bad relationship kills your destiny, kills your future, kills your dream. It also kills your drives from success. So that is it. You have the choice to live, to know with who you have to work, with who you have to share your feelings, share your opinion, share whatever it's positive. Yeah.
Yes, that is true. As she said, you must mingle with people that see value in you, not people that
Exactly.
see negative part.
It's very important.
We have the negative part in our life, in our way of living. But if you are with someone that is just giving you the negative habit, negative attitude you are having,
They will just put you
well,
outside
it's
of
just, I will use this
your
word,
future.
yes, decline you to
Yeah.
move forward, excuse me. And again, you must have the drive, the guts to what? To dispatchate people that really that are not useful in your life. Choose people that will help you. Choose people that will make you grow. It's not by force to have
Exactly.
a large number of friends. No. You just have maybe 2 or 3. If the 2 or 3 people they are pushing you,
You
they
can
are
have
here
a
to
good
listen.
mentor.
Yes.
See?
Thank you very much. A good mentor. If you have those one, it's fantastic. And again, for those who want to engage in relationship, I'm not saying you should stop. You can do it, but make sure that the person that you are choosing want to live your life with. The person must be someone that is encouraging you,
Yes.
that is giving you a direction, that you have the same direction, not someone that is just here to spend your money all the time, giving you problems.
That
That's
gives you
not what
advice.
you need.
You are
need
the
someone that
CEO
will
of your life.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And you are the person that must be riding your
Exactly.
boat. No one must do it for you. But if you accept, as we are going to end this program by telling you that if you accept, if you choose to mingle with a person that is not pushing you to get where you want to get to, or you choose the person, the lady, because she's beautiful, that is your own choice. I pray that you make the best choice. And again, I will conclude by what I beg you. I want you to leave your opinion and give your own advice to our friends that are watching also.
Thank you.